Guys, ito yung pinadala sa akin ng president ng batch namin guys ng high school. Si OG. Siya kasi ang president ng ano namin guys, yung batch. Batch 1974. So, reunion namin guys last January 21. Hindi ako naka-attend guys. And my cousin also is living here. Hindi naka-attend. Kaya pinadala na lang namin niya yung t-shirt namin guys. Ito. Sa LBC. Madali din ang pag-ship ng aming t-shirt. It takes only 1 week. Ganon. From Villa Balete. Layo-layo din yun. Ito guys. Yung t-shirt namin. Ito yung sa pinsan ko. Double X. Huwag kang kasi nagbibideo ako. Ito yung sa akin guys. Yan. Medium lang ako. Okay. Thank you so much, Soji. Reliera. Yan guys. Ang t-shirt namin. Yan. Maganda siya. I like the color. And the printing also. Kaya may remembrance kami guys. Although we are not there. Ano yung guys? Grand reunion. There are lots of batches also na nag-celebrate during that time, January 21. Our batch is 1974. Kaya iba-ibang kulay ng t-shirt, guys. So we missed that celebration, but it's okay. Maybe next reunion, we're hoping and looking forward na maka-attend kami doon by the grace of God. Thank you so much, Uji, for sending this. I love you all, batchmate. Yan. Thank you so much.